Alright, here we have a package just came in. It's going to be a 2013 Ducati 696. Alright people, if you're going to ship stuff like this, do not ship it in a bubble mailer like this. There's a hole at the bottom here. I'm surprised this stuff actually made it. And the screen is not cracked. But anyway, send it in a box, put some bubble wrap around it, it should be fine. But never send your item in a bubble mailer like this person did. It's not a good idea. Like I said, at the bottom of this package here, there's a hole right here. So sooner or later, the ignition probably would have fell out. But anyway, this is a 2013 Ducati 696. Customer sent this. It's my understanding they just bought the bike at an auction or insurance. Somewhere they purchased it. Has no key, so we can go ahead and make the key from scratch and do the special programming needed. So we can go ahead and make 2 keys for this and do the chip pre-programming, and that's it. Once this customer receives this back, they just plug in the dashboard on the bike, plug the ignition in, and boom, that's it, plug and play. So I'll come back in a little bit with these keys made from scratch and everything. Alright, we're back at the Ducati. We just finished making 2 keys. That's supposed to be the steering wheel lock, but when he took it out, as you see, this piece is all cracked up. So I had to remove the steering bolt because it wouldn't allow the ignition to turn or work properly. But these keys already have chips in them. Nice looking keys. Key 1, key 2. Well, I put tape on this because I used 2 different machines just in case something went wrong with one of the keys. Usually I don't have no problems, but just in case I know which key was done on which machine. And that's about it. You need our help, give us a call. We'll tell you what we need and you can just ship it to us. If you're overseas, you could do the same thing, but for the overseas customers, you're going to have to cover the shipping both ways. As far as customs and all that kind of stuff is involved, the paperwork. And everybody in the U.S., the same for you guys. You know, you're going to have to get the package to us and then pay for the shipping going back. We do insure all our packages, and we signature required. So, like for this customer, do not send it in a bubble mailer. I'm actually surprised that it made it, you know, without the screen being cracked or anything. Those of you that know, when these screens get cracked, it's going to cost you a lot of money. This is not the easiest type of work to do, so it's not going to be the cheapest thing to do. We do charge good money for this stuff, but we have a lot of experience with it. We don't do no damage. If you call around, that's probably why you can't find too many people that will deal with the Ducatis, Aprilias, Vespas, KTMs. What else? We deal with Can-Ams. And that's the reason why, because it takes expensive software to do this type of work, generate keys from the clusters, and then not only that, you have the ignition. You got to be able to make the keys from scratch. Like if you look at this key, it's not like a house key. It's kind of a tricky key to duplicate. Well, not duplicate, to generate from scratch. So we've been doing it for a long time. Again, need our help, give us a call. We'll tell you what we need. We can't tell you how to do this yourself. That's not what we do. We don't train people how to do it. What else? If you need more information about our mail-in services, go to www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you. Alright, customer just texted me a video of his bike, him using the key for the first time. I thought it was kind of cool, so I'm going to add this to the video. And it just shows you treat people right, you do what you say you're going to do. They do little things like this and send you videos.
I just got the key right now. I got the package. Thank you. I installed the switch. I still have everything loose though. I put the key on my Ducati Monster 2013, and the first key, the black one.
Yeah, I sent them two different keys.
Right.
One had blue tape on it.
Yeah, the first key works.
Because on this particular one, I did it with two different machines. That's it. The bike started.
Yeah, my first key, the first key worked right away.
And that's about it. So if you need our help, just give us a call. Go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup. We actually program the bikes. Here's some proof. And sometimes I will ask, will you send me a picture of your bike? I like to keep pictures of the bike of the bikes that I do. I know I don't ride bikes, but I just like Ducati bikes myself personally. So I just like to have some pictures of the bikes I do, just to see the bikes that I actually did. Because when y'all send me the ignition and the dashboards, I don't get to see the bikes. Whatever customizations y'all did to it, the color, the designs, and just little things that make it personal to you. So that's about it. Thank you.